The engineering of drones. Drones are everywhere, capturing breathtaking footage, delivering packages, and even performing search and rescue missions. But have you ever wondered how they actually fly and stay stable? Let's break down the engineering behind drones. What is a drone? A drone or UAV, unmanned aerial vehicle, is an aircraft that flies without a pilot on board. It uses a combination of motors and propellers, sensors, electronics and software to control motion, balance and navigation. The role of propulsion. Propellers are the drone's wings and engines. In one, rotating propellers generate lift by pushing air downward. By adjusting the speed of each motor, drones can move up, down, forward, backward, or sideways. Quadcopters, four propellers are the most common design. Two propellers spin clockwise while two spin counterclockwise. This balance cancels torque and keeps the drone stable. The balance cancels torque and keeps the drone stable. Stabilization and control. Drones are naturally unstable. Without constant adjustment, they would tumble. They rely on gyroscopes to detect orientation, accelerometers to measure acceleration, flight controllers to process sensor data and adjust motor speeds. This combination keeps the drone balanced, level and responsive to commands. Power systems. Most drones use lithium polymer batteries for high energy density. Batteries supply power to motors, sensors, and electronics. Engineers must balance weight, flight time, and power output. Heavier batteries last longer but make the drone harder to lift. Sensors and navigation. Drones see the world using GPS for global positioning and autonomous flight, barometers to measure altitude, cameras and LiDAR for obstacle detection and mapping. All these sensors feed data to the flight controller, allowing drones to fly safely and precisely. Frames and materials. Drone frames are engineered to be lightweight yet strong. Carbon fiber for strength and minimal weight. Plastic or aluminum for cost-effective designs. Modular designs allow easy repair and upgrades. Every gram matters. Lighter drones fly longer and faster. Applications of drone engineering. Drones aren't just toys, they are tools engineered for real-world tasks such as aerial photography and filmmaking, package delivery and logistics, agriculture such as crop monitoring and spraying, infrastructure inspection, bridges, pipelines, power lines, emergency response and search and rescue. Engineering ensures drones are efficient, safe, and reliable in all these roles. The future of drone engineering. Modern drones incorporate AI for autonomous navigation, obstacle avoidance using computer vision, swarm technology for coordinated operations, hybrid propulsion for longer flight times. Engineers are pushing the limits of flight control and energy efficiency. In conclusion, drones combine mechanics, electronics, software, and aerodynamics. From propellers to sensors, every part is engineered to work together, allowing drones to hover, maneuver, and perform complex tasks. Please stay tuned to the channel where I explain the hidden engineering that makes flight possible. Like, share, and subscribe for more clear insights into the machines that shape our future. Thank you.